I'll show you all how to make 4 types of Rakhi. The first one, take a piece of paper and cut it into a small rectangle shape. Now you can write brother or your brother's name on it. Now stick that with a piece of paper on the thread. You can add beads and decorate it. Now you have your first Rakhi ready. Second Rakhi, take a piece of paper, roll the woolen and stick on the paper and then cut the piece off. Now you'll have a circle woolen piece. Now write Om on a piece of paper and stick that piece of paper on this woolen. Now color a piece of paper and then cut that piece of paper into small stripes. Now stick those stripes on the woolen thing, and also you can add some golden paint. Now stick the whole thing to a thread with a piece of paper and you have your another Rakhi ready. Now third Rakhi, take a piece of paper, cut a circle piece, add some beads and also glitter. You can add how much ever color you want. Now stick that to thread with a piece of paper and you have another Rakhi ready. You can add many threads to make multicolor. Now fourth Rakhi is for kids. You can take any cartoon character stickers or you can draw. I'm taking a sticker and sticking it on a piece of paper and then cutting it. Now stick that to a thread with a piece of paper and glue. Now you have another Rakhi ready.